turn your bedroom into a dreamy boho paradise without breaking the bank. You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 100+ cozy boho bedroom makeover ideas, from cottagecore vibes to DIY hacks that are seriously budget-friendly. Grab a cup of tea, hit that like button, and let's get inspired. First up, let's talk boho basics. To nail that cozy boho look, think soft neutrals, earthy tones, layered textures, and natural elements. The bed is the heart of your boho bedroom. Go all in with textured throws, layered pillows, macrame headboards, and quilted blankets. Add depth with mix and match patterns. Think tribal prints, florals, and vintage textures. DIY idea. Can't afford a new headboard? Create one with a tapestry or an old door. Paint it soft white or sage green for a rustic touch. No boho room is complete without plants. Snake plants, pothos, hanging ivy, anything that brings nature in. Use woven baskets or thrifted ceramic pots for a charming cottage vibe. Pro tip: use dried pampas grass or eucalyptus in vintage vases for a low-maintenance, high-impact touch. Now let's dress those walls. Try a gallery wall with vintage frames, handmade art, or woven wall hangings. Frame pressed flowers or pages from old books. Even better, paint your own boho abstract art using earthy tones. Macrame, sun mirrors, dream catchers, or even floating shelves with candles can instantly elevate the space. Now, set the mood. Layer your lighting: fairy lights, salt lamps, lanterns, and candles for a warm glow. Add a boho rug, cozy slippers, and maybe even a floor cushion nook for reading or journaling. Remember, it's all about creating a peaceful, personal space that reflects you. There you have it, 100+ cozy boho bedroom makeover ideas packed into dreamy cottage vibes and wallet-friendly hacks. Which idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more dreamy home decor inspiration every week.